Hello, welcome back to my channel. The other day when I turned on my GE electric stove, spark coming out for the front one right here. Spark like coming out like and I don't know why, but I turn it off, and then when I look at the this is the surface element coil right here. Look at it, burn through right here. Look at it. Look, it's been burned through. I don't know what happened. When I lift up the cover right here, as you can see, so what you can see here, this part right here, this is called the receptacle block right here. This part right here, the plastic part, receptacle block, and the surface element, the coil that connected to the receptacle block melted together. Look at that part. I think the reason why is because we do a lot of cooking in this the front burner right here, and sometimes when we boil stuff and water kind of spill over, probably spill over to this and short it out, and look at cause it to melt together like that. So today I'm going to show you how to replace those two parts. So this is how the electric stove works. You got the surface element right here, and then you got the receptacle right here. This is where you get the electric from. So this part right here is connected to the switch right here in the back, and this is the receptacle block. So basically this is the receptacle block. This is where the surface element connected to the receptacle block right here. You just push it in like that. That's how the so when you switch right here, see the switch right here, when you turn the switch on, it make a connection, and this part right here will go back to the switch right here. This so you would disconnect this part right here to the switch, and that's how that's how the electric stove works. So today I'm going to show you how to replace this part right here, the receptacle. When I bought this, it's already come with the receptacle block, so it comes together right there. There's a whole kit, receptacle kit, the whole thing. So I purchased this from Amazon, so you can you can order it from Amazon. And this one you also can order from Amazon, 8 inches surface element. So let's so this stove is a GE, and a GE electric stove. It's about 10 years old already. It's a sandwich between the counter right here, so I had to pull it out. So let me pull this out. So I already pulled out the stove. And for your safety, it's really important. Don't work on the stove for your safety. And this is important. This is the stove is connected to a 240 volt outlet right here. So for your safety, just disconnect the stove while working on your stove, so you won't get electric shock. You won't. And this is a part you need to remove right here. You need to remove this cover right here. This cover right here. So you just get a socket wrench right here, and this is 1/4 inch. Just remove this. So just remove this cover right here. It's only 3 screws, so 1 screw right here, 1 screw right here, and then 1 on the top right here. The top one you might need a screwdriver, a round screwdriver. So right here. So we got to take that cover out to access the to the back. Okay. Now remove this cover right here. Just remove it. And this is where you this is the switch. No, this is the right here. This is the switch right here to turn on and off. This is the one, the front, that we want to replace it right here. So lift it up. First, connect this part first right here, the receptacle. So the wire, the receptacle wire. And as you can see down here, so you trace this right there, trace it all the way to the back to the switch right here. So as each one is color coded. So the back one is have a brown color. This is the front one we're going to replace, have a black color. So each one color coded. So right there. So basically right there. So just the color coded one. So see the brown one would be the rear one right here. So we're not interested this connected that. We only interested disconnected this one right here. So that's the switch right here. That's the switch. So all you need to do is just pull it out. One. That's it. And then just pull it out and right here. So remove it. Just cut this wire so I can. Now I can remove this. So remove this part too. So you can see right here, this is a part that really bad right here. Look at that. It's melted together like this. It's really bad. And this the surface element, surface element is no good either. Look at this. It's been burned already. One of the coils has been exposed already, so that's not good. And this one is the receptacle block is melted with the surface element. So we're going to replace both of them. So we replace this right there, and that part right here. So need to do, just screw this part right here, screw it to the top right there. One screw. All right, now run the wire to the back. Now connect the wire together. So just the wire go through here, right here. I disconnect the other one too, so it made it easier to, I connect the front and the back. And then I tape it together right here. So it won't be loose anymore. So just right here, there's a little hole right here. Push it through. And that's it. All I need to do is just push in the okay, just right there, just plug it in, just push it in, that's it. And there's nothing. Make sure it's all the way in. That's the switch in the front right here. And then the next thing to do is just put the cover back on. Okay, now the cover is back on. Now right, everything is connected. So just put the drip pan back in, and since the water always spill into this part right here, I'm gonna put a little bit of aluminum foil on top of it so that it won't do that anymore. Just cover up a little bit. Okay, and then put the now just connect it, push it in. Yep, and just put aluminum on top of it a little bit so that this time when water, you know, boiling over, it won't go into the shorted out that part again. And now let's test it out. The moment of truth here. This is the one we just replaced. We replaced the burner surface element and the receptacle box and the wire. So replace both of them. Let's see, turn it on, the front. It's already plugged in. Make sure you plug it back in, and then now turn it on. See. All right. Oh, you feel the heat now. So it's working. All right, as you can see, it's getting red right now. So it's working. It's perfect. So basically, it's easy to replace. This is the old part right there. Like I say, I put a little aluminum on top of it so that this time it won't the water, you know, when you boil water, spill over. It won't get spilled to the receptacle block right here, where the surface element connected receptacle block. So it got melted right here, and so for the surface element costs about 23 bucks. The receptacle kit costs about 13, 14 bucks. So altogether is about $38, $40. So and it's easy to do. So I hope you learned something. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Now connect the wire together. So just the wire go through here, right here.